Hello, my revivers. I hope you guys are having an awesome day. This is just a quick haul. I grabbed a couple things from Aldi's. I got some roasted pumpkin seeds is basically what these are. Pepitas, that's what some people call them, but it's like a pumpkin seed basically. De-shelled pumpkin seed roasted with salt. 2 bananas for our smoothies. I'm going to cut those up and freeze those after they ripen. I have some blueberries. Guys, I did not used to like blueberries, but if you like grapes and you never really tried a raw blueberry like this, try them. I rinse these off and I put them right in the refrigerator where I can just grab them and eat them. They are amazing. Blackberries are amazing as well. And I'm trying to transition from drinking coffee to drinking more tea. I love coffee. I don't drink it every day, and I'm not one that has to have a couple cups a day. I might drink it maybe four times a week, but not much. And sometimes I don't even finish the doggone cup. So here's some organic coffee. I never tried it. If you tried this, let me know how you like it below. I'll probably try it tomorrow morning. I love grapefruit juice, and this is a no sugar added ruby red 100% juice. So if I want something sweet, I will drink 100% juice. And when I take my minerals, it's a difference between minerals and vitamins. Vitamins is something that I'm not even going to go there. All I'm going to say is minerals are much better. That's what our body is made of. And so I take minerals on a daily with my moringa. And then I have some 100% cranberry juice, and then I have 2 apple juices. I like to put this in. I have orange juice that I didn't need this time, but it's some in the refrigerator that I put in my smoothies instead of water just to make it more flavorful. And like I said, did I say that? Because I had to stop this video and start over, but yeah, I'm gonna let these ripen and cut them up if I didn't. Then I have some grapes that I'm going to clean. And this is a big bag of grapes. So what I like to do is get them, put them in a bowl with a little bit of vinegar and clean them really well and strain them. And then I put them in a bowl on some napkins in the refrigerator so we could just grab them and eat them throughout the day. I needed some lemons. I love lemons. And I also put lemon in some of my masks when I use or do a scrub on my face. So that's what I have the lemons for. And then I have my vinegar because I use that to clean almost everything. And I also use that in my laundry when I wash my Banboo reusable sanitary napkins, pads, whatever you want to call them. That's what we use. If you don't know that, I'll try to remember, if I forget, to leave the description in the description box, the playlist about the reusable Banboo pads, because if you are using those sanitary napkins that are from the store, you are definitely putting a lot of toxins in you, your daughters, your nieces, whoever you're responsible for that you're going to buy them. You need to look into those. And I have transitioned so many women, and they love them. They will not turn back. And so I will definitely try to put that in the description. So I love oysters. If I want some protein or I want something to, you know, just kind of eat on, I need something. This 18 grams of protein in one of these. So if I need a little protein, I will eat that because I am pescatarian and I just do fruits and vegetables. And I try to stay away from carbs. Carbs are something that I try to only eat if I'm maybe going and doing something special, or, you know, having people over. I might have a few carbs every now and then, but I try to stay away from the carbs as well. So yeah, this is my mini haul, along with just giving you a little bit more information. And these, you must try these. If you were not a blueberry person like myself and you didn't like eat them raw, blueberries are good, and I did not realize how good they were. So I think I will start putting some of these in like my oatmeal and stuff like that. Like, those are the type of carbs I will eat, like oatmeal, but it's the oatmeal that you have to cook. And I also have a video of that, how I make my homemade oatmeal. It transitioned a little bit because now I use like coconut sugar and other types of sweeteners. But yeah, I do have a video on how to make some bomb oatmeal, pecan oatmeal. So yeah, that is my mini haul. And you guys love to see what I eat. I don't do too much shopping because I don't eat a whole bunch, but I will share these mini hauls when I get them. So if you enjoyed them, make sure you thumbs up. And if you have any questions about anything I talked about in the video, leave it below. And I will talk to you guys later, gators.